From this intervention, it is clear that people themselves benefit acoustically, gaining comfort from this perspective. My name is Alexander Beans, and I am the co-founder, along with Alexander Fresh, of Alexide, a software development company in Cesena. We handle software comprehensively. From design to production, including all aspects of IoT, we use artificial intelligence techniques within our product called Solid Rules, our registered trademark. We have a team where, apart from me and my partner, everyone is young. It is a multidisciplinary team with people coming from various fields of study, including computer engineering, physics, statistics, biomedical, ITS courses, graphics, and marketing. We work on Solid Rules, our product, and it is a team effort. The team mainly operates within a large open space, and within this teamwork, a problem arose in the new office where we have been for less than a year regarding the acoustic problem. When we first moved in, we didn't set up systems to simplify sound management, so we neglected the issue. We realized that during impromptu meetings or casual conversations with colleagues, everyone was complaining. People were constantly asking others to be quiet, and it created a discomfort problem. It was evident in the open space, and it was evident in the academy section. We have an academy section where we conduct courses at the university, and there too the problem was always very noticeable. There was always someone bothered by the background noise, by a reverberation that was very evident. We realized that we had an acoustic problem and decided to remedy it. Multiple entities collaborated on this project, including the architecture firm Modero Architecture. For the design, we referred to Solo Suono, which also handled the supply, including the supply of panels from Garvan Acoustic. The incredible thing is that after this intervention, we all actually noticed, even while the intervention was still ongoing, that we no longer had the annoyance of that continuous reverberation. It was evident that once the intervention was completed, no one asked their colleagues to be quiet anymore. The incredible thing is that internally within the company, we have a foosball table. Playing foosball always happened outside of working hours, but right at the edge of working hours from 6 p.m. to 6:01 p.m., there was always someone who might stay at their desk and complain about the noise. Today, this issue no longer exists because while the foosball table still makes noise, the noise it produces is perceived in a way that doesn't cause disturbance. It's difficult to describe noise, but it's clear that the benefit we've gained from this investment is something we notice every day in terms of comfort within our office. Since we aim to certify this location from an energy perspective, it was extremely important for us to also achieve the same level of benefit in terms of acoustic comfort. This intervention shows that people indeed experience an acoustic benefit, a comfort benefit, and this is reported back to us by the same people, the same women who work in these areas in the open space and who may participate in courses within the academy. If you ask me why this company exists, I would tell you that it exists because we love solving problems and finding solutions. We call ourselves solution creators. Solid Rules is a solution creator, and we apply it to any context. Our clients, when they walk through the door, have problems that they have already tried to solve with other companies, our competitors, and they come here because they haven't found the answer, because they have encountered refusals. We have a team of people with a vision, a multidisciplinary team, where we like to immerse ourselves in the client's problem because we are curious, we are experimenters, and we do it with everything. This location is an example of experimentation, and we might have done it for the acoustics as well. Even on that front, there were people who told us it was useless, but once these same people returned to this location and saw what had been done, they experienced with their own ears that something had indeed changed. We often find ourselves dealing with people who don't believe in what we can do, who don't believe in what we say. They need to experience it, they need to try it, and often they come here after they've tried others. It applies a bit to everything, so we want to be an example in everything from software to a bit of hardware, and our office is the only hardware we have. One of the goals is to transform this location into a laboratory, a lab suited for technology where artificial intelligence coexists with cutting-edge solutions. This work on acoustics is part of this project. If you want to visit a somewhat unconventional company, today, let's say we are here at your disposal. We are in Cesena and therefore open for visits. So if you want to learn about our product, what we do, and the technological solutions we have introduced, you would be most welcome